Hello Ganofinians, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to website development tutorials. This is your third tutorial. In this third tutorial, I'm going to tell you about rules to choose a domain name. How can you choose a domain name? Domain name is the most important part of your online address and your visitor will use it to find you easily. For example, here as you can see this google.co.in. Google is the domain name here. Your domain name should be unique to you. Once you registered it, nobody else can register the same one if you continue to renew it. Registering a domain name can be easy because you can select whatever name you want. But what you choose is crucial for your business future or your blogging website. So these are the rules for choosing a best domain name for your business service, blogging, etc. service. First of all, first rule is choose a domain name that can be your brand name if required. For example, if you are making a blogging website, then you should choose your website name such as ganofinsblog.com, ganofinsblogging.com, whatever. But keep in mind always you should choose a shorter, always try to choose a shorter, make your domain name shorter, as short as you can. If you have the financial possibilities, then you can purchase domains with various extensions such as .com, .net, .info, .biz, and always remember to choose your domain name without the numeric. For example, don't choose the Ganofins 10.com. This will be very bad because there is no brand matching from the user perspective. So don't purchase such kind of domain names for your business service or blogging, etc. Rule number 2 is like this is your google.co.in website. If your financial condition is good, you should purchase google.com, google.biz, google.net, every kind of extension. So if anyone tries to visit other website, then he or she will got redirected to your this website, main website. He or she got misguided by any other website. Now third one is you must ensure that this domain name is not a trademark or is not copyrighted. You should do this by checking it on the Google search engine whether the domain is name is registered or not yet. Find a short domain name. As I told you, the lesser the character in a domain name, the easier it is to type, to say, to share, and to get shortlisted on social media platforms and in search results also. Now, fifth one is extensions are services such as .com, .net at the end of the web address. These can have specific use, so ensure to choose an extension that works for your business. The .com extension is the most popular, as I guess you know about. But if you want to make a local website, make sure to choose your extension locally, like as dot. If you want to make a local website, ganofins.in, ganofins.co.in. Now the sixth one is if your domain name is not going by the brand name, then at least you should use specific keywords which describes your business. So it will improve your rank on search engine, which increases traffic, and it also makes more sense to your customers. Let me tell you about domain name extensions now. There are many domain name extensions such as .com, which is used as commercial purpose. This is an open TLD. TLD means top level domain. Any person or entity is permitted to register, and it is always the main TLD. .org, which is used mostly by the organizations, and .net, which is used mostly by the networks. .edu, which is used mostly by educational organization. This TLD is limited to specific higher educational institutions such as but not limited to trade schools and universities. .mil, which is used mostly by the military of United States. .arpa, which is used for address and routing purpose. It is for advanced research project agency in the early days on the internet. ARPA is now exclusively used as an Internet Infrastructure TLD. Well, I hope you understood about the domain names. How can you choose a domain name through the rules so that it will rank on the topmost search results so you can get more and more amount of traffic to your website. Well, if you have any questions or queries regarding to these domain names rules, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel.